Hey there, David Wambia here, and today I want to walk you through the 8B Community app so you won't have to do all the work. Now, just to be clear, this video is meant for the users who have already downloaded the 8B Community app. So let's start. So as you can see, I'm on the home screen of my mobile phone, and here's the 8B Community app. So I'll tap it. So once you're logged in, the app immediately takes you to the activity feed where you can stay updated in real time with the pulse of the community and the latest happenings. Now for easier navigation purposes, at the bottom of the screen you'll find the home button, the members button, the posts button, the messages button, and the hamburger menu where it takes you to your profile. Now when you click the members button, you'll be able to view all the members in the community, and you can follow and connect with other users. As you can see, I'm already connected and I'm following Elijah. Now once you click the post button, the app immediately takes you to the news feed where you can actively engage with and contribute to the community. Now for you to share a post, click the pencil icon on the top right and begin typing. For the icing on the cake, you can attach an image or a video from the gallery, or you can directly take a photo or a video directly from the app using your phone camera. Next, we have the messages button, which enhances the community experience by providing a private communication channel that complements the public interactions within the community. It serves as a valuable tool for users to connect, collaborate, and communicate in a more personalized and confidential manner. Once you click the hamburger menu, the app takes you to your profile dashboard that consolidates various tools and features that empower users to tailor their experience in the community. Now that was just a quick tutorial of the 8B Community app. For more updates, please follow our socials. See you soon.